appreciation, and if you're new, I'm Shammah, and here we appreciate life, the good, the bad, all of it. Guys, honestly, this video I'm shooting it for the 5th or 6th time, and I'm just over it. I'm literally over it, and I just want it to be done. So hopefully this is the last time I'm gonna have to shoot this, because otherwise cutting it, period. So yeah, but without moving any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, everything, and tell a friend to tell a friend that Sham's here. So guys, this video is going to be about FabFitFun. Literally, how can I ever forget? It's a subscription company. It's a seasonal subscription company, just like any subscription company. Wow, how many times can I say subscription? But anyway, so yeah, instead of being every month, it just does seasonal ones. So summer, winter, spring, autumn, you name it. So 4 times each year you receive a box, and these boxes, guys, are full-size items, and for each season it is $49.99, and I'll be putting the prices in pounds somewhere there so that you know the prices, and including shipping and everything and tax, it comes up to $79, which I believe in pounds I think is about £55 or something like that. So it is very, very affordable. And guys, you get full-size items, like I've said, and it ranges, it's just like literally different things. So even jewelry, even clothes, makeup, facial products, hair products, everything, and these things are full-size items, which is amazing. So guys, in this video I am going to be showing you guys my winter box. I know we are literally in summer, and I'm just showing you the winter box. I received it 5 months ago. Anywho, guys, wait until the end of this video because I have something amazing. As you can see, I have 2 of these boxes. 2 boxes. Yes, that is the surprise. One of those boxes is the surprise. So don't click off before the end of this video, and don't rush till the end because you need to see these goodies. Alright? So I'm going to be really quickly with these items because I have done this so many times and I am just tired. As you can see, I have viewed, I've opened it already, and some of the things I've taken them out of the plastics because I have had to film it 5 times. But anyway, we're just going to rush into the video and just seeing the products that are there. So the first item is this Spongella Sugar Dahlia. Is a body wash infused buffer. So it's just a normal buffer. Well, it's not a normal buffer. It is an exfoliant buffer which looks like this. It's very different. Obviously different to what I've used before. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. I have seen it advertised. It smells lovely. But yeah, I also have some hyaluronic eye masks. Oh my god, I am in love with eye masks currently, and these are hyaluronic infused. Wow, yeah, literally I was expecting to get like 1 or 2, but there's literally 5, guys. 5. Honestly, hyaluronic acid is really good to tightening the skin and all of that. Anything to do with hyaluronic acid, it is really good at tightening the skin, pulling it up tight snatch. Yes. All right, so the next item is this body wash. It is Stone Street Soap House Hey Ho Wholesome Body Cream. Yes, we are not going to be ashy. We are not going to be ashy. We have heat wave and all of that coming through. We are going to be moisturizing our bodies head to toe. This smells amazing. And it's really creamy as well. Wow, that is amazing. I like that. I like that a lot. And the next item is this lovely scarf. Very soft, very light. I think as well, even in this summer, you can get away with wearing a little light scarf like this because sometimes it can be hot or it can look hot. and then when you're out there it can be a little bit breezy, and when you have like something light, when it does get a bit, you know, breezy, you can just, yeah, wrap it around. Yeah, it's very nice, very light. Guys, I'm also going to be putting the prices of these items underneath somewhere with the names as well of the brands, but this scarf is really, really nice. Yeah. And the next item is this Jennifer Zuno jewelry. Let's see. Little gorgeous little necklace. There we go. Yeah. Can't say much about that. I'm going to be rocking it this summer. It's cute. And the next item is this Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray by Grace and Stella. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, nice and rosy. Wow. Oh, this is so nice and refreshing. As you can see, guys, it's the full bottle, literally. Yeah. Amazing. Oh, refreshing. Alright, and the next item is this Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. We've heard of this dragon blood. Let's see what it looks like. For some reason, I expected it to be red, but it's not. It does smell nice. And it says that it's really nice if you leave it on overnight. It really helps with softening your skin and all of that. It does smell nice. And the part that I've just applied it on feels really, really soft. Looking forward to trying this product. Yeah. And the last item is this healing balm. It says Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, and it says that you can put it on literally anything, so on burns, on cuts, on chapped lips, on post-procedure skincare, on eyes. You can use it as baby ointment as well. So this is it. Yeah, so it just literally looks like that. It looks clear like that. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, just put it over anything. I know, like, I normally use aloe vera gel or the aloe vera gel straight from the stem, so when it's fresh, or sometimes I use the gel which I've purchased. But yeah, so I think this will be something like that as well, which I'm going to try as well, because I've actually run out of my aloe vera gel. So yeah, looking forward to trying that. So guys, that is all of those items. Literally, as you have seen, guys, some of those items are just amazing, and it's something that you look forward to every season. And I'm actually so, like, I've had my spring box waiting for me to open it. I'm just like so excited to see what's actually in there, and my summer box is about to come as well, so that's another exciting thing. So you've got 3 more videos, 2 more videos coming up of this, and you'll get to see some of my items that I have got in there, and it is just amazing. So I don't have to be thinking, oh, I need to buy some new products, I need to buy something. Like, literally, before I do any shopping, I actually wait for my seasonal box to arrive. Then I can see what items I might need to buy, what things I might need to add up. So yeah, so guys, also the most important part of this video, guys, like, I'm so excited. You have seen my box, and now this is the giveaway box. I have a giveaway, my first ever giveaway. So I got 2 of these boxes, one for myself and one for you guys. And what we have in here, guys, we have some clothes, we have bags, literally some little bags. We have the products that you have just seen, like some of the products, the scarves, all of them, all backed up. We also have earphones. Guys, like, I'm just so excited about this giveaway, like my first ever giveaway. And I just want to say, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, supporting me. Like, I'm just so appreciative. So yeah, this giveaway is just literally just to show my appreciation to you guys for your support, always watching my videos, always supporting, sharing, liking, subscribing, all of that. So yeah, this is my first giveaway, and 2 of you guys are going to be receiving 4 of the items that you have just seen. Some of you guys are going to be receiving earphones, some of you guys are going to be receiving clothes, some of you guys are going to be receiving bags, or all of the above, who knows. So all you have to do, guys, to enter this giveaway is to go on my Instagram. I've got a picture that's going to be up there. All you have to do is to like that picture and comment on there. Comment hashtag just pure appreciation to show your appreciation of life and everything in it. And especially in this time, we have all been locked in, and it's just something to just say to you guys, all is well. We're going through this together and we are coming out of it together. So yeah, so I'm really appreciative of you guys and everything that you are doing to support this channel. So yeah, don't be afraid to join in on the Instagram, on the YouTube and everything. And also make sure that you are subscribing. The important part is you're subscribing to my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram page. All right, okay, let us go and enter the giveaway. Bye guys, and don't forget to watch the next video somewhere on there. Bye. I don't even know what my hands are doing, but what you gonna say about it? What you gonna do about it? Just watch my next video. Yeah.